Welcome to Isha Upanishad, the third episode so far, just starting. Now I shall read out two more mantras and will give it, and I will give a simple explanation to that. Why simple explanation? Because it one mantra. If I go and explain it, will take hours, and some of things are beyond the common physical senses, and it talks about at the moment it talks about the Atma Tattva, and the physical experience of this is not possible to get, but Atma Tattva has many scientific implications and scientific meaning, and that will take a tough stand to explain all the time, but whatever it is, I shall give the simplest explanation of it. Now let me start with this mantra that is going to talk about the Atma Tattva. This mantra is like this: Anej dekam manso javya. Please listen carefully. Anej dekam manso javyo nen deva apnuvan purvamarshat tadhavato jnaniti asti tishtha tasminnapo matrisrava dadhati. While I am repeating, before going to give a simple explanation, I am repeating the mantra again. Please listen this mantra. If you listen, this also has got some good benefit. The mantra is like this: Anej deka manso jabyo nana deva apnuvan purvamarshat tadhavato jnanati asti tishtha tasminnapo matrisrava dadhati. I am reading it out once again. Anej dekam manso jabya nan deva apnuvan purvamarshat tadhavato jnaniti asti tishtha tasminnapo matrisrava dadhati. Now, what does it mean? It is talking about one of the slight expression of Atma Tattva. What is Atman or Atma? It is talking about little property, the property of Atma. Now it is said that Anej Deka Manso Javya means it is still, it is in one place, yet it surpasses the mind of human being. It is quite paradoxical to understand. How can one thing which is still at a point can surpass the mind which is all the time moving and the fastest thing so far the human can imagine? Now, Anej deka manso jabya nene deva apnu van purvamarshat tadhavato nyanti ashe tishtha tasminnapo matrisrava dadati. Now it's saying that although the Atma is still at one place, okay, but yet it surpasses the mind, okay, the mind which is faster than the devatas, the indriya. Indriya means the senses, okay, the senses honors are devatas, and the mind is beyond devatas, okay, and the Atma is beyond mind. This means what? Atma is, it has encompasses and surpasses everything. It is in one place, yet it has covered everything. That means it has covered everything in this universe. Is covered by Atma Tattva, and therefore mind, which is faster, in a moment we can imagine and reach even heaven or hell or whatever we imagine, but even if we reach there, the mind is already there because it has encompasses everything. That's what it means. Tadhavata nyanti asti tishtha tasminnapo matri sarva dadhati. Now it is saying that the Vayu, or it has many meaning in Sanskrit. If you say Vayu, it means simply air, but it also refers to uh, those ethereal compositions that sustains everything in the universe. It is not simply air. Air is within the atmosphere of the earth, but beyond this atmosphere, where there is no this physical or the gaseous state of matter air, it is talking about some ethereal substance that, let me say, that holds up everything in the universe, or let me say everything in the multiverse. Whatever the verse that we have, universal multiverse, every substance therein is submerged by unseen particle. These particles holds up everything. Everything that we see around is actually floating in that ethereal particle. The ethereal particle is referred as Matrisarva. In Matrisarva, Dadhati means Dharan Karnawala. That means this Atma Tattva is that Tattva that holds up those ethereal particles which is responsible for holding up everything in the multiverse. The Atma Tattva is something very deep, something which is very deeper. The next mantra is going to give a little more light into this Atma Tattva, and it is like this. Tadai jati tanai jati tada dure tadvantike tadantarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasyasya bahyataha. I'm repeating, please listen. Tadai jati tanai jati tada dure tadvantike tadantarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasyasya bahyataha. Well, I'm repeating for the third time. Tadai jati tanai jati tada dure tadvantike tadantarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasyasya bahyataha. It is saying that being in one place, this Atma Tattva is yet moving, but also in one place. It is at the same time near you, at the same time it is far away, at the same time it seems finite, at the same time it seems infinite. It is inside you, outside you, at the top of you, all around you, behind you, in front of you, bottom of you, to every side of you, including inside of you and outside of you. What does it mean? It means that Atma Tattva covers up everything in the universe. Whatever Atma Tattva is there in us is maintaining us. Whatever Atma Tattva outside is maintaining the outside world. That means it is talking about the energy that sustains everything, including this body, your body, everybody, every particle, every matter, everything in it, every atoms, the quarks, the subatomic particles, the particles beyond that. This Atma Tattva is that energy that is sustaining everything inside every particle. It's the energy within every particle. It's the innate energy responsible for the creation, be it organic, inorganic. It is encompassing, all-surpassing, all-subverting, everywhere, and yet nowhere for the person who do not know. Namah Shivaya.